The way some people are staring down the camera is just a lot, okay? It's just a lot.
Like that? Yeah. Why are we getting growly though?
Wow, okay. Just... Wow.
Okay, well, you know what? Get out of my face.
Wow. I love how we're getting some of the choreo at the end here, though. Because I love the choreo for Fireworks.
Hi, we're K-CordGirls. We have issues. So your papa's a fair enough.
And calm his damn teddies, okay? Crying. We're crying and laughing.
There's a lot going on my bra. Floor. Get off the floor! Oh my god, what is wrong with them? A lot. Get the list.
It's a list.
I'm done! Go away!
I'm so done! Hi, hello, hey, welcome back to K-CordGirls. Welcome if you're new. I am Bree.
I'm Mer.
And today we have a Patreon request. We are going to be watching Stage Clip Day Special Medley Band version and Team. one of these song titles I'm not great at pronouncing, but it's basically a medley of 4 different songs.
Samidare, Aoarashi, War Cry, and Firework.
Thank you. I got to the first one and I was like, girl, you gonna butcher that so bad.
I probably butchered it, but like, why not?
I'm sure you
Why
did
not
better
try?
than I would have. Yeah, so we got, a nice little medley. I feel like there's just gonna be danger everywhere. Like this whole thing needs warning signs. At this point, and Team needs warning signs. So, yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and dive in and see what happens. But before we do, if you guys like this video, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe for more. What else, Mer? Also, reach out to us on our socials, come chat, hang out, talk with us in Discord, and you can check out our exclusive reactions on Patreon. We are also live streaming on Twitch Fridays through Saturdays. We are watching Squid Games and Boys Over Flowers. Alrighty. This should be really good quality because it's their official channel. God, this song is so pretty. Ooh. Okay. The way some people are staring down the camera is just a lot, okay? It's just a lot.
Like that? Yeah.
Again, another gorgeous song. Why does K gotta do everything aggressively? Okay, eye contact. Good lord. so mad. So mad.
I love how EJ was like, I can also do
the eye contact. Our K-CordGirls patron too was saying something about paying attention to Yuma's vocals, because they said in one of the songs something about his vocals that they just really, really liked that he did.
Okay.
Great.
Why are we getting growly though?
Wow. Okay. I just need a second. What the hell? They were like, okay, we're gonna switch to war cry. That means it's time to get hella aggressive and growly. Awesome.
Obviously.
Jesus. Wow. Okay.
Wow. Okay, well, you know what? Get out of my face. The hell?
Oh wow. That's great. We're gonna go back a little bit. I don't know why all the sandwiches gotta be doing the most right now. Yuma sounds killer though. Wow. Ooh. What in the world? No, get off your damn time. Good lord. Good lord. Wow. That was a lot. That was I don't even think that was the full song.
Hey!
God, I love Firework so much.
so fast, fast, fast. Cool kind, love tastes like lies and die. Tonight, I know you're so many. Todo que tai, hito lija, todo que nai. Demo bokurawa, demo no bounce. Firework. Oh, 불이 솟아오르 히카리와 내가 이거는 네 쇼리서 힘이 와서 다시 데이터.
Wow. I love how we're getting some of the choreo at the end here, though, because I love the choreo for Fireworks. Wow. Well, they killed that.
Right?
Well, then. Like I said, our Patreon K-Cordy had said something about keeping an eye out for Yuma's vocals. I have to say, I don't know if I caught exactly what they're talking about, simply because I was impressed by everything. Like,
Yeah.
everyone's vocals stood out so much. I think if someone were to, not that I've ever heard anybody say this, but if I were to hear anyone say anything about Team's abilities vocally, I'd be like, come watch this. Because this, you can hear, this is raw live vocals, and they are absolutely killing it.
Yeah.
So, I loved it. It was very impressive. Also dangerous from time to time, so that's great too.
Yep.
There are definitely some parts in there where I'm like, biases be acting up. Left and right.
Mine sure was. My God.
Yeah. See, and this is the struggle I have, because I have two sandwiches, and well, no, I don't have two sandwiches anymore. It's now just one big ass bias sandwich with one person going, yeah, but I'm on top. I'm number one. I feel like there was definitely some moments in there where I was getting that vibe, so that's great. But I did really enjoy this. They absolutely killed it. I love also the fact that we had the live band too, because the live band mixed with their vocals was just amazing.
It was really fun, especially during Warcry, to see them.
Yes.
Shush. To see them interacting with the band too. That was great.
Yeah. And I think with the live band too, you could tell that they were really feeling it, you know? So. But I guess we'll go ahead and wrap this one up for today. Hopefully you all enjoyed it as much as we did, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.
God!
Wow!
I'm sorry!
No!
Oh my God. Why are we adding water? Why are we adding water? Oh my God.
Good God.
The choreo is so aggressive though.
This whole song should be illegal.
Man, their wardrobe choice for this.
Never mind!
Oh, wow. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Pull back.
청정무구 순결한테.
Wow, that was a lot of information you put out there.
Yes! You should. Look.
Oh
my God.
내 것이다.
Okay.
boy!
Wow.
No!
Oh my God!
안녕.
Damn it, I knew wrong was gonna be the one that
Right?
took me out. Y'all are standing way too still right now.
Right? Move your ass! I don't know.
I'm not gonna
I am.
Yep.
He really didn't like that jumpsuit. He really didn't like the orange jumpsuit. That's what that was.
Oh my God!
Good God, Kay.
Yeah, that's the dance, guys. Good job.
He is too extra. Oh, wow. Wow.
Oh baby!
Why do I feel like Sugar just took
Oh
him
my
hostage?
God! This is the performance I wanted to see like a year ago.
But he didn't have to go that. He didn't have to go that high with his shirt. Girl.
ふざけた。
Girl.
俺だって男なんだよ。
Giant semi-catcher stars, maybe? Oh, wow.
Wait, what? Oh my god! Oh my god!
Like, really
Whoa.
important.
What are you doing? Oh my god! Oh my god! What the hell?